delete me, whatever you do, because tonight at 8765, depending on where you live in the United States, the From Hope to Habits encounter. And could I tell you how much more excited I am to begin sharing 25 different ways that you can pray. And at the end of 47 days, okay, in 47 days, it'll be Easter. And by that time, you will have 6 prayer practices that are personalized for you. You're going to have, you will have ways of praying, times of praying that fit your time and your obligations. And you're going to have a closer relationship with God. It's what I exist for. It's there. It's yours, but you have to register right down here. Hit that register button just in case you need more information. Hit that register button and join me. Join me for 7 Tuesdays starting tonight. I'll see you there. Bye bye.